Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 air compressors you should check out. Each one has unique features, and I'll walk you through them so you can easily choose the right one for your needs. If you're interested in any of these models, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. The Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a high-performance and convenient tool designed to keep your car, motorcycle, bicycle, and even sports balls properly inflated at all times. With a powerful 180 psi capacity and a design that works up to 3 times faster than many standard pumps, this air compressor ensures quick and reliable inflation whenever you need it. The InoKraft Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor is a complete and versatile set designed for artists, hobbyists, and model painters who want precision and professional results. At the heart of the kit is a 1/6 HP quiet air compressor, powerful enough to deliver consistent airflow while operating with minimal noise, making it perfect for home or studio use. The kit also includes a durable hose, airbrush holder, and a beginner-friendly how-to guide, ensuring that even first-time users can get started with confidence. To make the experience even more complete, InoKraft provides an airbrush paint set with 4 vibrant colors, so you can begin painting right out of the box without needing extra supplies. The California Air Tools 8010 Ultra Quiet and Oil-Free Air Compressor is a high-performance machine built for users who need reliable power without the loud noise of traditional compressors. Powered by a 1.0 HP motor, it delivers strong and consistent performance while operating at only 60 dBA, making it one of the quietest air compressors in its class. This makes it ideal for indoor use, workshops, garages, or any environment where noise is a concern. The Quiet Air Compressor is a powerful yet low-noise machine designed for both professional and home use. With a noise level of only 68 dB, it runs much quieter than standard compressors, making it more comfortable to use in workshops, garages, or indoor spaces. Despite its quiet operation, it delivers strong performance with 2.8 CFM at 90 psi, providing enough power to handle a wide range of pneumatic tools and applications. This compressor is especially versatile. It's perfect for woodworking tasks such as nailing and stapling, as well as garage use for inflating tires, powering small air tools, or general maintenance. It can also be used for hobby projects like airbrushing, upholstery work, or other light-duty pneumatic applications. The AstroAI Cordless Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a versatile and heavy-duty tool designed to provide quick and reliable inflation for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and more. Built with dual powerful motors, it delivers fast performance with a maximum pressure of 160 psi, making it suitable for both everyday tire maintenance and emergency situations. Whether you're at home, on the road, or outdoors, this compact air compressor ensures that you're always prepared. One of its standout features is the HD digital display screen, which shows real-time pressure readings with accuracy and allows you to preset your desired pressure. The inflator automatically shuts off once the target pressure is reached, preventing overinflation and keeping your tires safe.